Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $10.35 by listening to music online in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to Dollar's new videos. And the giveaway is happening very soon, guys, so open your eyes and you know exactly what to do, and you might be the lucky person winning that 1,000 Rand. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that I want you to do, guys, is that I want you to go on Playlist Push, and this is a website that literally connects artists to playlist creators. Now I'm gonna get you through the part that you don't really need, so you know exactly how to do the part that you do need. It's gonna make sense in the end, trust me. It says here, we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators a way to discover new music. You could click on the I release music or I own playlist, and that is the one we're gonna use. But before we get to that, let me run you through the whole process. As it says here, for artists, promote your music to active playlist creators, flex pricing. Whether you make pop music or you make instrumentals, you can literally reach the creators that will dig your music getting picked up. We send your music to a targeted group of playlist creators. They review your songs for playlist, and then you can literally get on a playlist. So if you happen to be watching this video and you're an artist, this is definitely the website for you. I mean, you could literally set up a campaign and get money, and these people will put you on a playlist. But for us, for creators, it says here, discover some of the best and up and coming indie artists and help them launch their career and get paid to listen and review songs. Get rewarded. Earn money by listening and reviewing songs, and you get to discover new music. So it is a pretty much win-win type of situation. You get paid to listen to new music, and if you're somebody who listens to new music, and you can find one. As it says here, discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. Now this is a very important stage because most of you do not have Spotify playlist, and all you need to do is press on the apply, and you add your name, your email address, where you live, your mobile number, and your biggest playlist on Spotify. Now what I want you to do, guys, is that I want you to go on Spotify and I want you to create a playlist. Now obviously it's not going to have a lot of people, but you can easily get people on your Spotify. There are websites where you can literally get playlists for maybe $2, $3. Now this is something that you'll spend money for, or if by chance you already have a Spotify playlist that already has a lot of people, then you can easily sign up and they will pay you based on how many people you have on your Spotify. So just make sure that even if you don't, you just get it. It's very cheap, $2, $3 to get like 1,000 people. It is very easy. Just go on Google, watch some videos, and you should be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. You are a star, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. Peace.